Leania.ai is a brand new AI software that's already causing a stir in the tech world. And today, I'm going to show you 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're considering using leania.ai or are simply curious about its capabilities, stick around because I'm about to break it down in a way you won't find anywhere else. Now, before we get into it, if you're new to the software or want to give it a test run, you can try leania.ai for free using the link in the description below. I'll also tell you how it compares to some of the other AI tools out there that you might have already tried, so stay tuned. So what exactly is leania.ai? At its core, leania.ai is a powerful tool built to streamline workflows with its intelligent features, designed specifically for digital marketers, content creators, and anyone looking to simplify complex processes. Unlike most AI tools, Leania brings a unique blend of user-friendliness and power, making it accessible to both beginners and experts alike. You don't need a technical background to get started. The first thing you'll notice is its simplicity. The interface is clean, intuitive, and doesn't overwhelm you with options. Whether you're creating content, managing projects, or even analyzing data, it feels easy to navigate, which can sometimes be a challenge with other software. This simplicity is a huge time saver. Next up, the software's AI capabilities are impressive. It learns as you use it, adapting to your needs over time. Leania.ai utilizes cutting-edge machine learning to suggest optimized strategies, making it a valuable resource for digital marketers. If you're looking to boost your efficiency and get more from your digital campaigns, this software makes complex tasks feel effortless. One of the standout features is how it integrates seamlessly with your existing workflows, meaning there's no steep learning curve to get started. Another feature you'll love is its advanced analytics. If you're looking to track your campaign performance or monitor key metrics, leania.ai offers real-time insights. It doesn't just track the data, it interprets it for you, providing actionable recommendations that can help you make better decisions faster. This is an area where many tools can be hit or miss, but leania.ai excels. What sets it apart from other AI software is its collaboration features. For teams working remotely or businesses with multiple departments, this tool allows you to stay on the same page. You can easily share data, reports, and insights within your team, making the process of collaboration more streamlined than ever. Let's talk about scalability. Leania.ai is designed to grow with you. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large team, this AI software is scalable, offering features that can expand as your needs evolve. It's built with flexibility in mind, meaning you won't outgrow it as your business or project grows. You'll also appreciate the integration options. Leania.ai connects with a variety of platforms and tools you're likely already using, from social media management tools to CRM systems. This flexibility ensures that you're not locked into a specific ecosystem, giving you the freedom to use the software alongside other tools that fit your workflow. And here's the best part. Leania.ai is constantly updating with new features, ensuring that you always have access to the latest in AI technology. With AI moving as quickly as it is, staying ahead of the curve is crucial, and Leania.ai seems committed to doing just that. So, is leania.ai worth your time? Absolutely. If you're serious about simplifying your workflow, improving productivity, and using AI to its fullest potential, this software is a game changer. It's free to try using the link below, and after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say that this one stands out. Before you go, I've also included a list of other AI software that I recommend down in the description. These are tools I've tested and personally use, and I think they could help you too. Thanks for watching.